Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I have this golden opportunity. If you want to become your own boss, work whenever you want, when you want, you can become your own boss. Yes, you can work at your own schedule, weekend, after work, anytime guys. Okay, I have this company. It's Agent Solution. This is a place for contractors. Okay, you can see they say work from home, become a Medicare advocate today. So you can sign up here, but before doing that, you can see it's a place for contractors. See the difference and pick your own hour. Okay, free self-pressed certification. There is no need for certain certification. Boost event available. Flexible 24/7 selling opportunities. Resources to help you to succeed. Keep your existing contract and jobs. Help others and earn additional income. About this company is all about to become a certified Medicare advocate. Is to become a certified Medicare advocate and help some of 62 millions of people on Medicare. Okay, become a certified recipient and transfer them to licensed medical insurance agent. So now you can understand that it's not about licensed Medicare certificate here. It's all about to become a certified Medicare advocate. So here it is, you're gonna get training from this company and then they're gonna certify you as you work on this company. So it doesn't matter if you don't have this licensed Medicare insurance. If you are not licensed Medicare insurance agent, so what you need is to transfer those clients to the licensed Medicare insurance agent. So I think that is clear. So you don't need any certain certification, but they will give you training to certify you so that you can transfer all those clients to licensed Medicare insurance agents. So you will be paid up to $15 per hour and plus $4 as you have successful transfer. It's typically for successful Medicare advocate to the average transfer per hour, resulting in $35 per hour. Now you can see you can even get up to $35 per hour as you have experience. Okay, so but before, as you start with no experience, you can expect $15 per hour. You can see it's to work full remote. This position is full remote and work from home. Okay, so you can start right away. We need contractors selling through December 7. This is immediate contracting opportunity starting again in January for the open enrollment period. So now guys, as you can see, if you don't even get a job with this agentsolution.com, you can get this job in January. Okay, so this is like to become contractors, just transfer client Medicare insurance agencies. So now if you don't get even this opportunity for this sale, they will have another big sale from January. Okay, so they have enrollment in January again. So why you can join this company empower and help Medicare and recipient on your time. Why you can join them, it will be empower and help Medicare recipient on your time when you can, after your full-time job, after you put the kids on the bed, after anything guys, right after you wake up. So schedule your own schedule and stick on it. If you want guys, you can have even this job in weekend. Okay, click sign up to begin with your journey to become Medicare advocate today. It's for free. You can just sign up for free and get your free certification by getting experience that you complete your schedule. Get started by learning successful business today. Okay, help others and also earn money during this. Okay, it's simple. They are still receiving people. If not, you can join them in January. Okay, just take your pen and paper and put this name agentsolution.com January on your schedule to come back on their site to see if they are receiving people. Okay, sign up, click here, and that's it. Okay, so about them guys, they have this purpose. You can read through about everything, understand well the company, so that you will not be surprised as you see a review on Glassdoor by working at Agent Resource Solution. On Glassdoor they have 3.6 rate. Okay, as you can see, it's not bad review. All right, so you can click here as you see. So I have another opportunity. Let's move on to the next opportunity we have is from this company agentonly.com. agentonly.com, you can earn as a referral. You can earn a referral to invite only community and become a gig CX boss. Of course, you can become your own boss. So this platform gives you the freedom and control to choose the hours, the project, and the shift direction that work the best for you and also your company. Become your own boss and take charge of your life. Okay, remember guys, opportunities that I'm sharing with you, it's free of charge. They will not request money to join them. What you have to do is just to try. If you don't have a job, you are just stay-home mom, why can't you try? Yes. So as you can see, they say they are exclusive team of independents. On those contractors, bosses is waiting for you. So as you can see, why joining them or why joining these agents? Work when you want and work the hour you want, work the project you want, and money as fast as you can. Get paid daily. I like this. Get paid daily. You can get paid daily. Belong to a community that cares. Okay, they have communities on Facebook or elsewhere. Guys, as you join the company, you will get used to it. How to join agents only, our always expanding community. As you can see, how to join this agent only, if you click to the link that will be in the description box, you will see you will join the marketplace. You join their community and then start working immediately. Remember, you will be paid daily. Don't worry if you don't know anyone on the platform, you can still join them through the agent only marketplace, where you will discover exciting job opportunity related to your unique skills. Now you can understand that as long as you have a certain skills, it's okay, just join their community and then start working with this company, start getting money daily. Okay, frequent asked question, if you go here, you will see how can I become an agent. It say we prefer to onboard new agents through our referral program. Why are referral considered first? Yes, we love and trust our agents, which is why we are always looking for new ways to help them to increase their influence and also enhance their reputation and earn more money. There is so many marketplaces. As you can see, you can join their community on Facebook. As I mentioned earlier, you can join on the LinkedIn, Twitter, also YouTube. Yes, you can click here on this link and join the platform. And what if I can't get, though we prefer referral from other transit agents, you can apply by completing the contractor form on this page. When can I start taking a call? Current agents need to email and text you the code that link your reputation to theirs. Okay, so here it means that you are becoming agent. It means they will give you a code. When a call coming in your inbox, you will receive a call and you will enter that code that given and then start earning money. Okay, so remember what to do here is to earn money by referral program is the best. You have here, you can become agent solution, become an agent, control your time, control your income, control your project, also join community. As you can see, if I click here on join community, you can see join their exclusive and start invite only call center community. There is thousands and thousands people. You can just explore this opportunity. Also, you can connect with them on this marketplace. Guys, it's pretty much simple. What you have to do is just to click here, start account type. You can either, I said, you can just become agent or support individual or agents. And guys, remember, if you join them as agent, your application will be favored. Their review on Glassdoor is 3.3 rating out of 5, so it's not bad. So try it out, guys, and good luck in your application. Remember, you can either become individual support or agent. All right, so good luck in your application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.